Reporting AXSM at $23. Profit exit $50. Share hold 6 months to 1 year on. Welcome to Wall Street Tactical, the only place on YouTube where you can access the highest level of Wall Street intelligence from many of the finest and most expensive research analytical sources in the financial and professional trading industry. Sources like Motley Fool, OTC Markets, Morningstar, Value Line, Seeking Alpha, TipRanks Ultimate, Earnings Whispers, Stock Gumshoe, Open Insider, QuiverQuant, Seeking Alpha, Finviz Screener Elite, Simply Wall Street, Benzinga Pro, Zacks Ultimate, and literally hundreds of other factually and hard evidence and rock-solid proven all-source intelligence systems and operations. Only here at Wall Street Tactical do we present for your informed wisdom and consideration the decisions, action-based conclusions, trade executions, and block trade transactions of many of the world's top traders, including major hedge funds, premier financial institutions, public company investment departments, board-level corporate insiders, and those others who wager substantial money behind their market calculations and predictions, those who really do put their money where their mouth is. Accordingly, we scientifically analyze these power players' actions and market navigation predicted upon proven and the best open access intelligence, public information, deep analysis, and reconnaissance, and the most sophisticated information surveillance. Ultimately, this results in perceptions and conclusions which may give you an edge and essentially hedge your trades by being in the know. Here at Wall Street Tactical, we don't gamble. We collect evidence, analysis, and facts assemble. Our principles are never trade alone. Always determine who is in the trade with you. Always. And we mean always. Bet with the big money, the smart money, the insider money. 100% of the time discern and discover what the high rollers are holding in their poker hands. And of course, don't stick around in a trade when public company management, hedge funds, and financial institutions are heading for the exit. Now let's proceed with specific opportunities and time-critical strategies. In this video, we are going to talk about AXSM, as the stock is at around $23 price right now. But in the near future, it is predicted to be over $50 by the end of the coming 6 months. This is going to be a really fun video, so make sure that you keep watching until the end. Before we begin, I want you to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, press the bell icon so that you never miss out on any update on our channel. With that, let's begin with this video. Let's start by knowing more about this company. AXSM stands for Axsm Therapeutics, and as you can guess by the name alone, it is a biopharmaceutical company. It works on making better treatments for central nervous system disorders in the United States of America. This is also abbreviated as CNS disorders and affects millions of people every single year. Harriet Habitu is the CEO of the company, and he has been representing the same position for a long time now. He took the chair back in the year 2012, so it has been around 9.5 years since he is the CEO now. The board of directors, on the other hand, are well experienced as well. As per the data, they are around 53 years old on average, and on the other hand, they have an average experience of over 6 years. These are pretty good numbers, as you might want to see some good old experienced people taking the seats of directors in a company this big, but it looks like we have some problems with the CEO. The thing is that Harriet holds compensation for the company, which is valued at over $7 million. This is something that you don't want to see, as it increases the credibility of the company to the most important person in the team, the CEO. On average, a company as big as Axsm Therapeutics must have a maximum compensation of around $2 million from the CEO. Since the amount is almost thrice in the case of Harriet, it is some alarming condition. As per many reports and experts, the fair value of the AXSM stock must be over $600 as of now, and watching its current price at around $20 is just a delight. The difference in both of these numbers is around 93%, which is a pretty big difference. Generally, it is considered that the difference must be under 20%. This makes so that the risk factor involved in losing your money is pretty low, and in this case, it is 93%. So, this is obviously a great sign for all the investors. Now, let's come at the liabilities. The short term assets of AXSM are worth around $141 million, which is a good amount of money, totally respectable. Now, let us compare this with the short term and the long term liabilities. Well, the short term liabilities are worth around $23 million, and on the other hand, the long term liabilities are worth around $49 million. As we compare it to the assets, both the short term and the long term liabilities are less than the assets, which is what you want to see before investing in any stock. This is a green sign, and hence, you should totally consider investing in this one. Other than that, the cash runaway of AXSM is pretty solid as well. It has had a sufficient cash runaway for over a year now, which is an ideal condition. Oh, by the way, the management team at Axsm Therapeutics is well experienced as well. They hold an experience of around 3.3 years on average, which is respectable. On the other hand, the age of these people in the management is around 54 years on average. People generally tend to lose money when other shareholders sell their stocks in a large amount, and it is called dilution. As per the looks of it, have not been diluted at all meaninglessly in the past few years. This means that there could be even more surge in the prices of the stock in the coming times, and this is what you and I are participating, right? Well, this is pretty much it for this video. Would you be interested in buying the stock? Let us know in the comment section. If not, then let us know why not as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like to stay up to date with similar content. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.